This is the second question from Digital SAT Test 3 Module 1 Math. Number 2 is telling you that you've got a line at a slope of 1/9. It's got, it goes through the point 0.014. You've got to know that in y equals mx plus b, that the m is your slope of 1/9. It's not negative 1/9. And then the y-intercept is where x equals 0, and the b in y equals mx plus b is the y-intercept, so it's not going to be negative 14. Your correct answer's got to be D. See the following video, go to YouTube, find the playlist, find IB Masters Learning Center, go to playlists, and the shorter videos or the longer videos just above these shorter videos. Have a great day.